You know what they say about a kid with big feet? He wears big shoes. Alright, are you gonna fall?
No.
You ready to go to bed, bud? Where'd you get those dress shoes, man? Those are slick.
What?
You got some big feet, dude. Oh!
What? Like shoes?
Ooh, I thought you were gonna fall.
Like shoes?
I do like your shoes.
Like shoes?
I do.
Shoes?
I like them very much.
Shoes?
Yes, very much so. Those are cool looking, bud.
Hey, okay. My ring.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, I got it. I got it, Dada.
You got it?
Uh-oh, money. Shoes.
Okay. Say bye. Say bye.